Have you ever wondered why we have different seasons? Summer, winter, spring, and fall? It's not because Earth gets closer or farther from the sun. The real reason is all about tilt. Earth doesn't sit straight up and down, it's tilted. Imagine a spinning top leaning slightly. This tilt is why we have seasons. When your part of Earth tilts toward the sun, sunlight hits directly, making days longer and hotter. That's summer. When tilted away, sunlight spreads thinly. Days are shorter, nights colder. Hello, winter. In between, spring and fall, the tilt gives us gentle weather as Earth moves around the sun. Fun fact, Earth's orbit is almost a perfect circle. Distance doesn't cause seasons, it's all about that tilt. So remember, Earth's tilt gives us seasons. More direct sun, summer, less, winter. And that's why weather changes all year round.